Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the new highway between Maypen and Mandeville. This is a part of Highway 2000 and it goes between Maypen and Mandeville. Now Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay, but they're building it out in sections, and the Kingston to Maypen section is open. And then the road we're driving on now is a Maypen to Mandeville section. And this section is going to be open at the end of August, which is 3 weeks from now. So we're just giving you a tour of it, and the actual road is finished. The paved road is finished. It's 28 kilometers, 23 kilometers from Maypen to Melrose Hill, and then 5 kilometers along the Melrose Hill bypass. Now, they have a few things left to do before they open the road. They have to finish the toll plaza, and we have videos up on what's going on at the toll plaza. And they have to connect this section of the highway to the existing section, and that's going to be done by the Maypen roundabout. They have actually removed the roundabout and they're in the process of connecting the highway. We have videos up of that also, and they are building a major interchange at 4 Maypen, meaning you can get on and off the highway from both directions. And we also have videos up about that. So we will keep you guys updated. We'll give you weekly updates on this project, but by all indications it's going to be opened by the end of August. Alright guys, enjoy the tour, and it's a 4-lane dual carriageway all the way to Mandeville. Very nice road. I used to comment that those Southern Coastal Highway from Harborview to Yalos is one of the nicest roads, very scenic route in Jamaica. But after driving on this road, I must say, wow, this is a really nice road, really nice scenery. And it was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they did an amazing job. This is the kind of progress that Jamaica needs. Jamaica is progressing very nicely with these roads. Alright guys, check out those videos on the finished section of the Southern Coastal Highway, and you'll see what I was talking about, how nice the highways are. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.